based around comics. It's kind of a superhero theme. As Source is the hero that you'll need to make the changes that you need to either your business or your client's insurance. And we just thought it was something that was a little different, or very different, and something that was quite attention-grabbing and eye-catching and interesting to look at. Something that would stand out compared to the usually quite dry insurance literature that you might get through your post or you might see online. It's something that's been ongoing for the last 8 months, and it's been a lot of fun to work on.
It's planned to be a 12-month campaign, so we started off with a printed brochure, and then what was great is that with the superhero campaign we were able to apply it to all our products, and then new products have come out further later in the year, and then we were able to expand the campaign onto that as well. And then plus also, as well as the brochure, we have the website, we've had animated banners, we've had the pop-up banners for the expo, which we've got in October. So it's been really good just because it's proved itself really, just with the fact that we've been able to apply it to all the campaigns and then any new products that have come our way. It's been great.
In January, when the team was first put together, Alex had only been with the company a few months. I was from a completely different department, and Bernie was brand new to the company in January. So kind of you had these three people that hadn't worked together before saying, right, okay, we've got a really different idea for a campaign. Let's see if we can make it work. And all the figures that we've looked at, like the percentage of people on the site, the click-through rate on the emails, the positive feedback we've had through brokers speaking to our telesales team and things like that have all been great. And it's been really nice for our first project for the new marketing team to succeed in.